In this ArcGIS Pro demonstration, we're going to show how to modify some features. We're going to use a polygon layer, and this demonstration is done in a stereo map display. You can do it in these tools are all available in a regular map display as well. So because it's in 3D, you might want, if you have red-blue glasses, you might want to put them on to watch the demonstration. You don't have to. Alright, so we're working on this strata layer here, but I want to modify. So I'm going to come up in edit here, and I'm going to select modify. And then my modify feature tools pop up. So the first one I want to demonstrate is the split. Alright, so I'm going to click on split. Now it says select one or more features, so I want to split this polygon here. So this is a for a stand here, and there's a cut line running through it, so I'm going to use that line to split them into two polygons. So I'm going to start outside the polygon. I'm going to left mouse click, and then I'm going to draw a line right along there. I could click as many points as I want, but I want a nice straight line, so I'm just going to click across it. So I'm outside the polygon, I went through the polygon, and I'm on the other side of the polygon, and I'm just going to double click to finish that line. And now the one polygon is now two. If I go into select here, you'll see I can select this half here and it's selected, or I can select this one. So there are two separate polygons now. So the next tool we'll just clear the selection for now. The next tool I'm going to demonstrate is the merge, and it's down here in construct. So I'm going to merge two polygons into one. So I'm going to click merge. It asks me to select two or more features I want to merge together. I just want to merge these two. So we're going to put the two I just created back to the original in this way. So I'm going to hold the shift key down and select the other one, and what it asks me is the layer. So I'm working in that original layer I started with. It's going to preserve 16. Alright, so that refers to the object ID. So which one of these polygons is it going to preserve? And it's going to preserve the attribute data that's in there. So it's basically saying that 18 is going to become part of 16 and 18 will be gone. And if you had any features in if you had filled out any of the attributes, you might want to choose one as opposed to the other to preserve. So we're just going to hit merge here, and the two should be merged into one. So I'm going to clear my selection. I'm going to select the polygon, and you'll see it's one big polygon again. Okay, I want to show you one more tool. So we have the large polygon here, and if we take a look, there's kind of a hole in it here. So what I want to do is I want to remove that from part of the polygon. Kind of create a donut. So to do that, I have to draw that polygon first. So I'm going to go back to create features, right? Under my strata sample layer, grab the polygon tool, and I'm going to draw out that polygon of that clearing there, that hole in the stand. Okay, I'm going to double click to finish it. So now I have that one that's selected, which is sitting on top of the larger polygon. So now I'm going to go back to the modified tools, and I'm going to go down to this tool called clip. Alright, so clip, for my input, I'm going to select that small stand. It's already selected. Alright, so I don't need to change it. I could change it if I want. I'm going to leave the default here, which is to discard the remaining things outside of discard the areas that intersect. Alright. I don't think it properly explains, or maybe I don't quite understand it, but that's what my trial and error for me has shown that that's what I wanted to set to. Alright, we could preserve the areas that intersect, which would then probably preserve just that hole. We could delete all features outside of the clipped area, so just what's contained inside the clip area, or we could split preserve both areas. All right, so I'm just going to leave it at the default. Now our target feature is going to be that larger polygon, so I'm going to go in and select it. All right, so that's our target, and now I'm just going to simply hit the clip. So the clip happens. I had the large polygon was this number 16 here, and it created this new one called 22. So I now have the two polygons, but and I could choose to keep both if I wanted, or with this one selected right now, I could hit the delete key. It asks me if I'm sure I want to delete that polygon. I say yes, and now I have that hole in the center of it, so my donut shape. All right, so if I wanted to keep it, I could have left it. It would have been two separate polygons, one that resides inside the other. All right, or I can choose to delete the one in the center, and I get my donut hole. That's it.